Namaskar dosto. Today is 23rd Jan 2021. First step to be a successful trader is to build a trade plan and review it. This channel is my journey in stock market where on this particular video I review my trades on Nifty and Bank Nifty and disclose my trade plan for the next trading session. I'm pretty confident that this discussion will add value to your trade setup and trading idea. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel where I keep on making more of these videos on daily basis. So let's first review what happened in Nifty on Friday and what I did. So my trade plan for Nifty on Friday was buy on dip, where I knew that we are entering a market with Bank Nifty showing a strong sign of negativity, and Nifty is looking strong because of Reliance. Now, what I did was I entered first on this particular green bar. I did not change and kept the stop loss at the end of this green bar, which got hit on this particular red bar. Then I again entered on the second level on this particular green bar, and I again got hit, and the stop loss was below this bar, and again I got hit here. And then I changed my position and I entered into PE. I ride this nice wave. At this junction, I was at break even, but I did not book my profits here. And then on this particular second green bar, I got off, and that's where I stopped my trading. So I overall had a loss of close to around 12,000 rupees. So if you see how I'm doing in this month, last week has been not been a good month for me, where I didn't have one trading session, one session with a very small loss. On Friday, I had almost around 12,000 rupees loss, and Monday 4,000 rupees loss. But overall, Jan is in positive of why 36,000 rupees, 36,000, yeah, 36,000 rupees. Now, what's the learning? Learning here is that I need to learn how to preserve my capital. And one of the best way to learn preserve the capital is that once the trade starts going in my direction, I should change my stop loss to break even and then wait. In that situation, what happens that I'm pretty sure that I'm not losing on my capital and I can minimize my loss for that particular trading session. It is the big losses which is reducing the overall performance of mine. So that's the learning. That once trade start going in the trade direction, change stop loss to break even and then don't touch it. Then let's go with the trade plan. Second is have a very strong money management in terms of what quantity I am entering in the market, and the quantity should be decided based on the stop loss point. So if you guys feel that this is one strategy which you want to know in detail, then please put your comment. I will make a separate video on this. So that's the learning for from last trading session. That change the stop loss to break even and then hold it. Preserve capital. जो जैसे गुरु जी कहते हैं कि लाला जी के साथ पैसे बचाना सीखो. Once you know how to save your money, Lala ji will make money for you. You don't need to worry about how much money you will make. Just ensure, learn how to save your capital. So that's the learning on last trading session. Now let's see how next week is looking like. So when we look into next week, let me just get rid of all this. Before we get into uh, Nifty, let's first see how dollar index is looking at. So if you see on daily basis, dollar is moving up and it has taken a support at 20-day moving average. So this is not a good sign for an emerging market. Second, when we look into S&P 500, S&P 500 is also showing some sign of weakness at the top. So global clues are not positive. Dollar is also not giving a good indication. So with that in background, let's look at weekly chart of Nifty. So when we look at the weekly chart of Nifty, what we see is a 2 weeks of red bar, and this week is a massive red bar where bulls have gone to all-time high of 14753 and bears have pulled them back to the level of even 14,200. And this is mainly caused by Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty is definitely looking much weaker than Nifty. But on weekly basis, if you see, Nifty is above 8 day and all moving average. So the trend is definitely up on weekly basis. Now, when we look into daily chart, we see that in last week, Nifty is definitely consolidating between 14,200 and 14,750 zone, where the last Friday closing is below 8, above 20, above 50, and in overstretch condition. So on daily chart, the trend is not very clear. Neither it is very clear bullish below 20, is still above 20-day moving average, but still below 8-day moving average. So on daily chart, I will say the trend is not very clear. But one can say that daily chart Nifty is now consolidating between 14,200 and 14,750 level. Now on 15-minute chart, when we look, we see that closing is below 8, below 20, below 200 and below 50. So here the trend is very clear that it is in downtrend. So 14,500 now becomes a very critical resistance for Nifty, and 14,200 is a very strong support, 14,226, and if 14,200 is broken, then 14,000 will be the next support zone for a Nifty. But on 15-minute, trend is down. Now, when you look for a Monday, on Monday, we have a resistance at 14,444 and 14,516. So 444 and 14,516. So 14,516, this becomes a very strong resistance. There is also 200-day moving average, weekly resistance R3 and daily resistance R3. So for Monday, plan is to sell on rise, expecting Nifty to touch target of 14,200. So for Monday, 14,300 and 14,220, 228. So this particular area, 228 is the target. So 14,228 and 14,500. This is the two critical zone in which Nifty will move on Monday. So sell on rise closer to 14,500. Look for a price reversal. Stop loss can be anything above 14,570 with a target of 14,200. Till the date, Nifty is closing positively above 14,566. Sell on rise is the strategy. Please do tell me what do you think about my view on Nifty. If you think that this discussion has added some value to your trading idea or trade setup, then please like, share, and subscribe on my YouTube channel. Stay healthy and Jai Hind.